Hello traders, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. And today I'm going to show you how to use price action method in trading. See friends, price action is very simple technique. This technique is used to find some support and resistance, some trend also, and this technique is purely based upon um, support resistance and trend lines method. Okay, see here, today I taken some trades in AUD JPY and Euro USD GBP USD. Okay, how I take this trade I will explain. Okay, see this black line, this is my entry line, and I am making some target level as this level. Why I am finding this level as my target? Because see, first of all, the trend, see the trend, I already shown many videos. A trend line is very important to find the trend. See it takes a support from second time, and then the price will moving upside, but it will not take a third support, but the trend is very strong. Whenever you see the trend is very strong, it may reaches the high. See here, it is a resistance. See, the first resistance is this. See, the price is slightly falling, and then it trying to break this level, but it will not breaks. It will fail to go down. So only I am drawing this trend line. This trend line will show you the price will break out is given here. Okay, and then see this formation. See, overall it looks like a double top. This is first top and this is second top, so we consider as a double top. And then if the double top is broken this middle level, see this level is a middle level, I will draw the line. See, I am telling this line as a middle line. This red line is a middle line. When it is breaked, so it will comes nearly the target level of this level. Maybe I am waiting, and this target will definitely reached because of this double top pattern confirmation. Okay, I am going to remove this line. This is AUD JPY 30 minutes chart. I am going to show you blank in price action method. See, this is a pure price action method technique, very simple. And then I am going to Euro USD. See here, Euro USD, and I am going to change the chart. See, price action trend breakout. So only I am giving this as a TBK, trend breakout method. In this method, the trend line, see the trend line is respected from this level and then takes a support from this level and it makes the high. Then the trend line is breaked from this level. So I am trying to short this position in Euro USD. I taken a short position from this level, but the price will going upside. But I am still waiting to touch this level of this target because it's a downfall. See, the breakout is happened. See the breakout. So only I am considering it's a sell position. So only I am holding this Euro USD. Right now the Euro USD is running in my MT4 chart. Position is running. Okay, and what are the things? See, this is a trend line. When the uptrend is breaked, see here, this is a breakout, pure breakout. It's very simple to find this breakout. And see here, and this level is acted as a support resistance. Okay, you can find it as a support resistance. See here, it takes a resistance one time and then the price will falls, and it takes a resistance again and it may fall. Okay, see here, this is looking like a double top pattern. So we confirmed This is also acting as a resistance. It's very simple. Resistance drawing is very simple. Support and resistance are very simple. See, this is a double top. I already shown in previously. Double top is a very powerful pattern. Double bottom also very powerful pattern. See, the price is coming up and then coming down. See, it may forms like a M shape. See the drawing, and I am going to draw you purely. I am going to just for idea. See here, M shape. This is looking like a M shape. Okay, this is a double top. Whenever you can draw the support as a double bottom. Very simple, double bottom. I'm just showing for an idea only. Okay, I'm going to remove this lines. Okay, I removed it, and see here the price is reacting. The price, I taken a trade from this level. Why? Because if the resistance is breaked, and we can wait for retest the support is breaked, we can wait for the retest, but I am aggressively entered here because the candle is very big candle, so it may not take a retest, it may go directly to this level. So I am considering this level as my target, and I am taking it more than 2 trades, so I am confused today. But here I know this is a resistance, so I know my risk, what is the level of risk. So I am still holding. The target is reached, I will make some profit today. And then see, this is a resistance. Okay, and then see here, this is a overall resistance. See, this level also looking like a almost double top, or otherwise you can also making a new, whenever the market forms new high, it is considered as a resistance. Okay, very simple. New high is considered as a resistance. Very simple. Okay, I'm going to show you, and GBP USD chart. If you are like this video, just click the like button, then only I know the interest of people, and you get some knowledge. You can also share this with your friends and family. Here you can see GBP USD, the same method. Okay, I'm going to show you full chart. See here, the trend line is, I drawn the trend line. It's a major trend line. See, this is a major trend, and it's a minor trend for this high and this low. Okay, whenever the trend is breaked, see this candle, this red candle is breaked, but it takes some support, sorry, resistance, it facing resistance. See the continuous candle facing resistance on this trend line. Okay, so we can identify the trend line is acting as a resistance right now, so we can wait for break the low. See, this low will break, I will make some good profit from this level. Very simple. It takes support. Okay, whenever it reach the resistance, then we can take a support, so only the market will make new high. So I plan to place the target as this level. It's a simple price action method. I know you may also enjoy this video, because I will share some useful knowledge to everyone. My motive is everyone is making good profit in market is very good for our wealth creation also. And thank you so much. If you like our video, do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much.